Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to do the blue comment in TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok app. After opening up the app, scroll down and see the comments of the video. Now, to do the blue comment in TikTok, there are things you should know. Identify relevant words and phrases related to a video's content that are used in the video's caption, hashtags, and comments. Type just the words or phrases into a comment or use them throughout your comment. Then, check on your comment after a few minutes to see if it's blue. TikTok makes comments blue based on their algorithm, so your comment might not turn blue. Increase your chances by commenting on popular videos. Then identify important keywords used in a video. For example, if you're watching someone do a red carpet fashion review, relevant keywords might be the event name, the notable celebrities at the event, the fashion designers, the film or TV shows the celebrities are in, and red carpet or fashion review. Now type the keywords and phrases into a comment. Then check back on your comment after a few minutes. After that, TikTok chooses to turn comments blue based on their algorithm. Sometimes your comments will turn blue and sometimes they won't. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.